Artificial Intelligence Doctor www.abcpharma.net/English. User question: can you give natural treatments for thick and stuck phlegm in the throat, nasal congestion, dry cough, cold and catarrh? ChatGPT 4o answer: certainly. Here are some natural treatments that can help alleviate symptoms of thick and stuck phlegm in the throat, nasal congestion, dry cough, cold, and catarrh. 1. Stay hydrated. Water. Drink plenty of water to help thin the mucus. Warm fluids. Herbal teas, broths, and warm water with lemon and honey can soothe the throat and keep mucus loose. 2. Steam inhalation. Steam inhalation. Fill a bowl with hot water, lean over it, and cover your head with a towel to trap the steam. Inhale deeply for 10–15 minutes. Adding a few drops of eucalyptus or peppermint oil can enhance the effect. 3. Humidifier. Use a humidifier. Adding moisture to the air can help keep the mucus thin and make it easier to expel. 4. Gargle with salt water. Salt water gargle. Mix a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water and gargle several times a day to soothe the throat and reduce phlegm. 5. Herbal remedies. Ginger. Drink ginger tea or chew raw ginger slices to reduce congestion and soothe the throat. Thyme. Thyme tea can help loosen mucus and alleviate cough. Licorice root. Licorice root tea has anti-inflammatory properties and can help soothe a sore throat and reduce mucus. 6. Honey. Honey. A spoonful of honey can soothe the throat and has natural antibacterial properties. It can be taken on its own or mixed into teas. 7. Warm compress. Warm compress. Apply a warm compress to your face to relieve sinus pressure and congestion. 8. Nasal irrigation. Nasal irrigation. Use a saline solution or a neti pot to rinse out the nasal passages and clear out mucus. 9. Spices. Spicy foods. Eating spicy foods containing capsaicin, such as chili peppers, can help thin mucus and promote drainage. 10. Essential oils. Essential oils. Diffuse or inhale essential oils like eucalyptus, peppermint, or tea tree oil to reduce congestion and clear the airways. 11. Proper rest and nutrition. Rest. Ensure you get plenty of rest to help your body recover. Healthy diet. Consume a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals to boost your immune system. These natural treatments can help manage the symptoms of thick phlegm, nasal congestion, dry cough, cold, and catarrh. If symptoms persist or worsen, it is important to seek medical advice.